Ready to ditch those clunky touchscreen controls and dominate your favorite games on your Samsung tablet? First, navigate to the Settings app on your Samsung tablet. This usually looks like a gear icon. Inside Settings, find the Connections or Bluetooth option. It might vary slightly depending on your tablet model. Tap on it to proceed. Ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your tablet. If the switch is off, tap it to turn it on. Your tablet will now start scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. Now grab your PS3 controller. Simultaneously press and hold the PS button in the center and the share button at the top until the lights on the controller start flashing rapidly. This puts the controller into pairing mode. Back on your tablet, you should now see your PS3 controller listed as an available device under Available Devices. It may appear as Wireless Controller or something similar. Tap on it. A pairing request window will pop up asking if you want to pair with the PS3 controller. Tap Pair to confirm. Once paired, the lights on your PS3 controller will stop flashing and a single light will remain on, indicating it is connected. Your tablet will also show the controller as connected in the Bluetooth settings. Now you can fire up your games and enjoy a much more immersive gaming experience.